Hello everybody and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. On this channel, my intention is to take you from zero to over $1,000 per month. That's 4 figures within 4 months in passive income. So the way that I'm doing this is I'm giving you these videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, all about KDP, absolutely dedicated to Kindle Direct Publishing. But if you want these videos in a more systemized and ordered format, just sign up to the free course, the link is in the description, and it gives you all the videos you need to get started. If you're ready for the next level to ramp up your sales, then you need the Royalty Accelerator, but let's not mention that now. Let's talk about how to check your sales. So a big misconception with people when they start KDP, let's say they've just started and they make the first 50 bucks and then they don't make any more bucks for a few days, so they've had no reason to come onto the KDP website. They might think that they've made no sales. But in reality, because they haven't come on here and checked the report section, they wouldn't know, because KDP doesn't send you any emails or any notifications or anything to really let you know that you've actually made any sales. So you have to log on to Kindle Direct Publishing and check your reports, which is where we are now. So as you can see, these are my sales from October the 27th up to November the 26th. I can talk more about these sales and these numbers in other videos. As you can see, we're on $81 so far today, and it's around 7 p.m. So that is absolutely incredible. We're going to break $100 again for the 4th time this month. But really the point of this video is just to show you that this graph here isn't very visually pleasing and it doesn't really tell you much about which books we're selling. So what you would need to do is come over to this, which is the Kdp Reports Beta, which would take you to here, and you can see the dashboard, which will show you your sales for the day, and it will show you your royalties for the day. You can see your orders, which is just the number of sales, and then you can see the royalties estimator, which will show you estimated royalties for the month. And this is a fairly good tool, and it's provided within KDP, so it's easy, but it's not the best. The best way to look at your sales, in my opinion, is just to get this. So connect your KDP account to Book Report. Just go to this website, getbookreport.com. We'll go down here. It's absolutely free until you earn over $1,000 per month, and after that it's $19 a month. So for me in the UK, that's about £15 now per month, because I'm over the 1,000 per month threshold. So it's the most useful and beautiful way to analyze your data, and it's great to see which books have been selling. So it shows you all your titles like this, and it will show you graphs, and you can filter it by the day, you can filter it by the author, you can filter it by country, and it just makes it so much easier to see what's selling. And that's important, because when you know what's selling, then you know what to make more of. If you don't really know what you're selling the most, then you don't know what to make more of to make more money, and you're just going around in a negative cycle. So find out what's selling the best and keep making those, and just keep making books, and you'll get to that $1,000 a month. So sign up to the free course, subscribe to the YouTube, like the video, sign up to the Royalty Accelerator, do what you got to do. We're going to get you to $1,000 a month, at least, very, very quickly. I hope that's been a useful video, just showing you that there's basically no emails from KDP to tell you that you've made a sale. It's all on these websites, so you can either use just this here, or you can go on the beta reports, or you can use Book Report. Just go to getbookreport.com, it's absolutely free. And that's everything, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be on Monday.